Hi, this is John Ozzy, AudaCity Capital, Head of Training and Development. Today I'm reviewing the account of Sandor. Sandor is one of our traders, been with us since October 17, 2020, and this is his journey from October 17, 2020 till present date, 12th of March, 11th of March, I'm sorry, 12th of March 2021. This trader's maintained a daily rate of 0.2% with a monthly average gain of 6.27% with a drawdown of 3.18%. You can see from the when he started, his equities grown from 2.67 steadily to 7.5, down to 5.4, then 8.9, then eventually sometime in October, December, December, October, November, December, he's hit his first 10%. And as you can see, there 10, 20, 30, 40, he's climbed up to 3, 4 stages on the program, and this is very consistent. Drawdown has been relatively low, more or less next to nothing, just 3.18%, which is very good. This is very good money management. So the drawdown on average has just been between 0 and 3.18%. The worst times were 31st of December, where it was down by 2.62%, followed by November the 13th, 2.5%, and followed by 25th of February 2021 this year, 2.28%. So the drawdown is between the range of 2.28% and 2.6%. So very good money management of this with this trader. And if we look at the profit made as well from this trader, we can see consistently we hit a little deficit, which is just 2002, but that's not a bad thing. A little deficit, but not in the negative territory. It's actually positive. The only deficit we had at any given time, as you can see, was just positive. He was never at a negative deficit, as you can see. So start the journey 0, 3.85. So this trade has been very good, and this is the reason why I think this trade has had a monthly gain of 6.27%, because all the drawdown is actually in positive territory. At any given time, he didn't touch the negative territory. So that's very good money management. In total, this trader's had 149 trades. Out of those 149 trades, he's had 70%, 77% successfully long and 70% successfully short. Now, if you look at the ratio here, he's won 47 out of 61 on the long side, and he's won 62 out of 88 on the short side. So this is very good. And looking at the total amount of trades, we can get the summary here, as you can see. Where we go. Looking at our trades, 149 in total. So looking at the advanced statistics, we can see everything here, all the profit and all the standard deviation. The best trade he had was on the 8th of March for $618.69. The worst trade was for $675.75. So this is very good. Now let's look at the pairs this trader's had to use to make the 10%. This trader's been very consistent by trading a few amount of pairs from the Australian dollar yen, yen, Aussie New Zealand dollar, euro yen, euro NZD, euro SD, USD, pound AUD, pound CAD, pound yen, pound New Zealand dollar, pound US dollar, and US dollar CAD and US dollar Swiss franc. But looking at all these trades now, the biggest pair that's given this Sandro the trade and the pips are pound AUD, where he's made a total of 502 pips, 0.8 on the long side and 541 on the short side, giving him a grand total of 4,490.74. Coming back down to that, the next pair is the pound Kiwi, where he's done a total of 303.8 pips plus 387.7, giving us a grand total of 1,339.44 plus the long and short gives us a total of 2,561. And the next one after that is the US dollar Swiss franc. So we can see 1, 2, 3. These three pairs have made up the bulk of the statistics, helping this trader get to 120,000. But at the same time, the trader wasn't really good trading the Australian dollar yen and the pound CAD. But overall, out of all the pairs traded, he has more green than red. And with trading, you can be right or wrong and still be in profit. So looking at a few of the lot sizes, you can see the traders had only a total of 156. And as you can see, the lot sizes, we can see the consistency with the trader. So this is a very good P&L account. As you can see, the lot sizes varies between 1.0 and 0.5. But overall, we're having losses, but overall we're seeing profit. So this is all we want to see from trading. You want to be right or wrong, but end up with profit and have good money management. And looking at the statistics as well, advanced statistics, what has this trader done for the month? And you can see for the month of last year, 2020, of this year, 2021, we made 6.8%, 9.71%, and already 2.98% already. So it brings us to a grand total of 3, 10, 11, about 17% for the year within the last 3 months and counting. So this is really very good. And looking at the previous year, 3%, 6.1, 2.97. So if we add that and that together, that gives us 8 by 8, 9, 8. So we have just over 11%. So on average, every 3 months, we average about 11%. And this is the same thing that's reflected here as well. So Sandro's got a good trading account. So Sandro's just one step away from going on to 240,000, then the last level of 500,000. So Sandor, well done. I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care and all the best.